Are your investments inflation-proof yet? With inflation rising and economic instability creeping in, many retirees are realizing their traditional investment strategies just aren't cutting it anymore. Take Judy, for example. Judy from Scottsdale, Arizona. She spent years building up a $525,000 401k and thought it would provide her with the financial security she needed for retirement. But when inflation hit and the stock market started to wobble, she realized that the value of her savings was quickly eroding. She didn't want to take unnecessary risks, but she also didn't want to lose everything she worked so hard to build. Now, imagine waking up one morning and finding out that your savings have lost significant value due to inflation. That could mean a smaller retirement, fewer trips to visit the grandkids, or even dipping into savings for essentials. That's the reality many retirees are facing, and it's why protecting your retirement has never been more important. Let's break down the numbers. The US is experiencing the highest inflation rates in over 40 years, with the Consumer Price Index, CPI, showing a steady increase in everyday goods and services. The Federal Reserve has been raising interest rates to try to combat inflation, but the stock market remains volatile. The economy isn't as stable as it used to be, and that uncertainty is trickling down into people's retirements. The bottom line? Your savings might not be as safe as you think. So, what can you do about it? The answer for many is a Gold IRA. Why gold? Because it's a time-tested way to hedge against inflation and market volatility. Gold has maintained its value for centuries, and it's often the go-to asset when the economy takes a downturn. Take Judy's story again. After hearing about Gold IRAs, she decided to roll over $150,000 of her 401k into a Gold IRA. Fast forward 6 months, and she's breathing easier, knowing her wealth is now protected from inflation's claws. While the stock market continued to fluctuate, her Gold IRA kept its value and even appreciated. The good news is, you don't have to wait until it's too late. If you have at least $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, you can take advantage of a free Gold IRA guide and no obligation educational call. This is a chance to speak with an expert, understand your options, and make sure your retirement is protected from inflation. There are no high-pressure sales tactics, no free silver gimmicks, just straightforward one-on-one advice to help you decide if a Gold IRA is the right move for you. Imagine having the peace of mind knowing your retirement is secured no matter what happens with inflation or the economy. It's time to take control of your financial future and protect what you've worked so hard to build. Click the link in the description now to get your free Gold IRA guide and schedule your free call today. Your future self will thank you, and so will your family when they inherit your wealth instead of worrying about what you left behind. Let's make sure your retirement is inflation-proof. Don't wait until it's too late.